jump scare, fellas.
Spencer County in southwestern Indiana until 1:30 a.m. At 12:55 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Dale to 6 miles northwest of Rockport, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dale, Grandview, Santa Claus, Filsonville, Chrisney, Denison, and Gentryville. This includes Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 47 and 60. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Spencer and Warwick.